Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Big Russ with Road Trip and RC, and I apologize for the lack of video last week. Sometimes life just gets in the way. Um, Today, I'm going to be doing some body work on the Defender pickup. Got me some good old Bondo glazing putty. Nothing crazy. I was going to talk to you guys. I had this idea pop up into my head, and it's kind of in line with what Matt and Josh are doing with Harley Designs and the Scale Builders Guild, where they're doing a build off. I'm putting this out there to the community, other YouTubers, if they want to join in, doing a $300 budget build off. And the rules are really simple. It's 6 weeks, so $50 a week is the budget. You can start with an RTR, or you can start from scratch. If you start with an RTR, that's cutting into your budget. Okay? So if I wanted to do a $300 budget build on this, that's I spent $150 on this. My budget is already half gone. Okay? To make things fair, right? The second rule, you must utilize the stock Traxxas ESC and motor. Okay? Simple, right? This lets anybody be a part of this without feeling some type of way that they didn't spend their budget on a brushless system, this, that, or the other, right? So, $300 budget, 6 weeks at $50 a piece. Must use the stock ESC and motor, because this allows people to have the chance to participate. And there is no saying what you can and can't use. If you want to do a full Endura build, like this isn't even an Endura build. It's just an Endura body on an OG RC chassis. But this is all TRX4 stuff with a TRX4M body. So you could build a street truck, you could build a crawler, a 6x6, whatever. It's up to you to decide what you want to build. And I think it'd be fun for starters. Like, hey, what can I do on $50 a week? Right? This really gets you eyeballing custom parts. And yeah, material costs would be included in that. I'm not going to factor tool cost in. We have Dremels. We have drivers and stuff. I'm not going to say, hey, you went out and bought a tube bender to make a custom chassis. That should come out of your budget, while you had to spend the money on the material to make said part. So tools don't count, but raw materials do. So custom links, custom drive shafts, anything that you're making, the cost of that material goes into your budget, right? Super simple. I'm not gonna go, hey, by the way, so-and-so, you used a can of spray paint. Why didn't you factor that in your budget? We got spray paint. We all have it somewhere. Now, obviously, if you go out and buy a color, be like, hey, I just picked up this can of spray paint for this project. Okay, you can deduct that from your costs. Yeah, I want to make this fun. I want to make it enjoyable. I'm looking at starting the actual build off on November 1st or around the first week of November. That's 6 weeks leading up to right before Christmas. And then there's no real competition here. It's just build something cool for $300. You know, these Traxxas bodies aren't cheap. That's a week's budget right there, you know. But a pack of styrene isn't that expensive, and I probably could have built this out of styrene instead of having to do all this body work. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to be a part of this, we will create a playlist on YouTube for this. We'll have fun with it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get to sanding because I got a lot of sanding to do before I can even do this. So stay safe out there, guys. I know the weather's starting to turn. It's getting nice for a lot of people. The heat's going away. Just be mindful where you're at. Be safe. To my brothers and sisters out in California, especially in the Los Angeles area, my heart's with you guys with the line fire. So just be safe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.